Today we are diving deep into the world of landing pages. A well-designed landing page can be the difference between a casual visitor and a loyal customer. So let's break down what makes an ideal landing page and how you can create on the converts. So here's our website on beauty products. So we shall move further. What is a landing page? A landing page is a single page website designed to capture visitors' information. It is typically created for a specific marketing campaign or product launch. Unlike a homepage, which serves as a general introduction to your website, a landing page has a singular goal, that is to convert visitors into leads or customers. So now we move further. Key elements of an ideal landing page. So the landing page should be clear and concise headline. Your headline should immediately grab attention and convey the value proposition of your offer. You should actually keep it short, sweet, and to the point. So next is compelling visuals. High quality image or videos can enhance your landing page appeal. Make sure they align with your brand and support your message.
Next is strong call to action CTA. Your CTA should be clear, prominent, and easy to find. Use action oriented language like buy now, sign up, or learn more. Here you can see as sign up. These are strong call to action. Next is relevant content. Your landing page content should be directly related to the offer or product you are promoting. Use bullet points and concise paragraph to make it easy to read. Mobile optimization. Ensure your landing page is fully responsive and looks great on all devices. Next is tips for creating a high converting landing page. First is keep it simple, avoid clutter and distractions. Test and iterate. A/B testing can help you identify what works best for your audience. Next is optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords and meta description to improve search engine visibility. Next is build trust. Use a secure checkout process and clearly display for content information. Thank you.
Today, we are diving into the world of website analytics and SEO tools that powers the website success. So let's talk about the core web vitals. LCP, largest contentful page. LCP measures the time it takes for the largest piece of content like an image, video, or the text block to load and become visible on the screen. So the good LCP score is under 2.5 seconds. CLS is a cumulative layout shift. It measures the visual stability of the page by tracking how much the content will shift while it's loading. So the good CLS is less than 0.1. So the last one is INP. INP means interaction to next page. It talks about how long it takes to go to the next page. Now let's talk about the SEO tools. So these are the three SEO tools: HRF, Conductor SEO extension, and Detailed SEO extension. So here in HRF, we can see that the meta description is missing. So meta description is a short summary of the page content that appears in the search engine. Then we also have headings here. Canonical URL. Canonical URL text tells us search engines like Google what the preferred or main URL of a web page should be. Here we can see alt title. Alt title is missing here, and alt title, it provides the image description to alternative sources. Then the next tool is the SEO extension tool. Here we can see that the title should be at least around 65 characters, and the description, the ideal description length would be 70 to 155 characters. This is the URL, and here we have to put the canonical tag. These are the headings, links, and images. Thank you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our video. So the next topic which we are going to discuss is keyword research. It is one of the most important topics for a marketer or a business owner if they are looking to improve their SEO campaign. So then keyword research is a must. So let's start by the step one. Step one, as we know that our website is related to beauty products. So step one is listing of keywords and related phrases. So the think as a customer what keywords they will use, what they will search. So I already have this. I already typed this out. So these 5 keywords is what I thought. What will the customer think? And there are 4 types of keywords which are informational, commercial, navigational, and transactional. They are very evident on their own. Next, step 2, enter keywords in Google search. So I already added beauty products. So when you add beauty product and you search, you find these buy makeup, buy cosmetic products, buy makeup, new you buy beauty. As beauty product is a very generic term, so these type of uh, results come on. But if you add a modifier, which is the next step, so add a modifier to your keyword. I added a modifier that is affordable beauty products for daily use. When you search this, you will find these things: top 16 best affordable skincare, top 17, and rest to know. The next step is check the section people also ask, which is this one. So generally people also ask what skincare product should you use every day. This is informational keyword, if for example. And then look at related searches. So when you click here, you will find related searches such as top 10 skincare brands in the world, affordable skincare routine, cheap skincare Amazon, like this. So next next step will take us to our tool, which is used by every keyword researcher. There are many tools such as RFs, which I use here. This is an extension you can download. But majorly, if you want a free tool, you can go to Keyword Planner, which is by Google itself. So here you go and discover new words. You type beauty products, which I did, skincare, lip shade, whatever you want, and click on get results. So you will get these. You will get many options. You will get many keywords, and they can tell you by competition. Basically, if you take high or medium related keywords that are very useful, you need to click here, like beauty products. I click makeup, I click Dior lip oil, I click lash serum, etc., mascara, and then you need to click on add keywords to create them. This will save the keywords. So go to save keywords and you will find whatever you saved here. If you want to, the next step is very easy. You can download it through a CSV file or Google Sheet, whatever suits you. And after that, you can add these keywords to your Google Ads for a better inflow. And that's it for keyword research. Thank you.
So here I'm going to show you how could you make Google campaign ads for a website. So for that you have to search for Google ad campaign. Then you have to click on Google Ads. After that you have to go in sign in. As we have already created a lot of Google campaigns, so for that we are logging to our Google ad campaign page. Here we could see a lot of options. For creating a new ad campaign, you have to go in this plus sign, go for campaign. So as you could see, there are a lot of objectives in this page. So according to your website, you can enter into any of the following objectives. Ours is the e-commerce, so we are going into sales one. These are the conversions goals. We have 2 conversion goals like purchase and view page. You could add more according to your website. Need to continue. Here is your campaign type. So ours is a search campaign type. So we will click here. And we would like to see our page on website, so we are clicking on website page. There you have to copy paste your website. So then you need to continue. You could name your campaign as such you want. Start new. Here you could add the conversion. We are choosing clicks. Then you need to do the next. Here you could choose the location wherever you want to show your ad campaign. So we have an objective to do this in pan over India, so we are choosing India. Here you could add the language preference, whatever your audience is comfortable, like Hindi, English. Our audience main focus is Hindi and English, so like that you could choose. Then you have to go for next. You have more options too. So according to your ad campaign, add this targeting. Go for next. Then you have to describe your product that is different from other websites. The website different. So we have already created a description like this. It should be under 3000 words. Now we have to generate. Further will be explained by Piyush.
So after the description is good, the Google already created some new keywords according to the website's optimization, and there are a few keywords ads already shown that our ad strength is excellent. If it's not excellent, then you can view their ideas like this and just add this to your description. So this will create a more ad strength. This will give you more strength to your ad strength, and then after that, you if you have any display path, you can just put it there. And these are keywords. So there are these keywords are recommended by the Google, but we have already created some keywords, so we just copy pasted these keywords, and we just simply pasted in the website. And after this, as it's already fulfilling all the criteria, so if you have any backlinks or site links, you can just do it. See it's by adding the keywords, it's decreasing our ad strength, because this is not aligned with the headings, so we need to just change the headings. Now our ad strength is excellent because adding the new keywords now will go down, and there you can see there are backlinks. If you have any site links, you can just add it there. And after that, there are callouts options. So already we have taken some callouts from callouts. Basically, this is grab the attention for the customers. This is basically the hook part of the Google advertisement. So we have already taken some callouts. So we so we have this callout stop blackmail today radiant skin alerts. So we copy this and just place it in the callouts option. So we are adding this callouts. After that, we go to apply and we go to next. There are some budget. So we are, for example, we have taking 919 average daily budget. So we are doing next. This is the basically the review of our campaign, which is showing up. Like what's our purpose and what is budget, purpose, keywords, how we use, and how we publish the campaign.